front of me is REALME GT8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and clicking on Photos or Collections at the bottom. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hold one of your pictures you wanna get rid of and use those icons at the top right corners of all of those sections to select multiple right away. Now, to keep some of them, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use bin icon at the bottom right corner. Quick tip though, never select more than 100 photos. You can see a countdown at the top left corner. That's because Google app doesn't allow you to delete more than 100, so you will have to select them all over again. Anyway, hit bin icon, tap on Got It, and choose Move to Bin. As you can see, all of my photos were successfully deleted. If you want to delete from one of your folders, do exactly the same. The only difference is that bin icon is now located at the top right corner instead. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!